ko gapon.
School.
Bisita
Do you
si
have it?
Joshua.
Can you see it now?
Masakit na ayo sa psycho siya. Ay complain ba? Dapat mo kawan sa tuwa. Pero kaya magbenta bisita mo lang ay bala ka mo. Kuya kay ko madala.
See it now?
Amo ni pa sa mo mga katawan ko. Wala
Plan?
kaya.
Plan? Pot?
Bago mo tatlo ko oras.
Nice!
Ang tapos na di ba?
Switch.
Ano ba yan mo? Siyempre gusto mo lang
Door.
hindi mo mag-overtime.
Window.
Pero sabi gusto mo.
Electric fan. Floor.
Nang bala ko man
Tile.
para overtime pa
Necklace.
man.
Okay,
Pero
diba?
problema ko no. Ginaya pa talaga, ginawin sa tinawag sila ko. Tapos wala na ako nung mag-remind yung mga
So like,
sobrang
everything is
ako.
anywhere.
Meron ko nung bisita.
Can I step on it?
Mo to, ano sa tabi bisita ko?
Is it made, oh wait, is it made of glass?
Ano ko naka-remind ka na, kapati.
Wood?
Wala gito ako nung mag-remind. Wala pa sa niya ako nung balang.
Everything is made of wood.
Ay, sarap na yan. Ikaw gusto.
Can be made of anything.
Tiles.
Ikaw gusto.
Metal.
Itigasyon na.
Is it made of metal?
Pati ako picture nga.
Light.
Kaya naman ako sir, just one now. Sir, pakain. Sir,
Can be made of anything.
Yes, light.
Dua gatos.
Ceiling.
Yung mo one tray, dua gatos yata.
Ito, ito, iba. Wall.
Wall. Sa liha bala.
Wall!
One tray na to.
Give up.
Awan pa dilaw ang kaulan. Ito.
Trash can.
Ay, sinabi nga po.
Okay, your turn again. Okay, take your turn.
Pero may iba na po kayo.
I got it. The heart is in bottle.
Is it a living thing? Living thing? Plant. Animal? Animal? Dog. Cat. Cat the forest. Can you touch it? Can you see it in the zoo? Can you see it in the zoo? Not in the zoo? This animal is not in the zoo. Animal not in the zoo. Mouse. Is it an insect? Pig? Don't. Megalodon? In the water? Water? What? Is it the water park? Like octopus? Fish. Seaweed. Yes, an animal. Is it the water, right? Fish, seahorse, whale. Big, small. This can eat people. Seahorse. Plankton.
Alam ko, di ko pala tawagan yung banda ko
It up?
Yes.
So water bear.
Huh?
Water bear.
Water bear?
Yeah, two scientists. Scientists discovered that there are little things in the water that are called water bears.
Like gummy bears. Kay Mama Tip, Mama can I guess.
But water bears are real.
Yeah, I think it's molecules like it's a kind of like tinier than bacteria, yes. The shape like a bear. It's also inside your tummy, right?
I don't know.
Okay, your turn again, because I give up. Okay. Okay.
I think I got it. Got it.
Huh?
I got it.
Living thing?
Mm.
living thing? Living thing?
Yeah, no.
Not living thing. Not living thing. Can I see it in the living? Living in the living. Huh?
Not,
See it in the bed.
not
I can see it in the kitchen.
kitchen. Not.
Can I see it in the farm? Can I see it inside the house? Can I is it big? It's tiny. It's small. Do I use it? I wear it. I don't use it, but I wear it. I use it, but I don't wear it.
Yeah, you use it.
Can I use it in cooking?
Hello,
Do
hello,
I
Bong.
use it in cooking?
Bong, tawag yan siya. Di, Bong, hindi ko siya makontak. Bong, ato may departure. Kaya ito, pakadulaw
Do
pagban.
I use it in taking a bath?
Oo,
Do I
6
use
months,
it in studying?
5 sakay sa kabata.
Laptop. Laptop.
Tawag yan, sino ni?
iPad.
Ikaw matot, ikaw masulang.
Technology.
Ikaw masulang ka ni.
Technology, like, do
O sige,
I
sige,
use it
paari na kami
with
sa kagban mo.
paper?
Pakadulaw kagban.
Is it like
na.
long and thin? Is it pointed? Is that pointed? Is it squishy? Is it with different shape like SpongeBob like that?
Yeah,
Mommy,
I'm scared right now.